Alright, hopefully you read this risk disclosure disclaimer. Very dangerous to trade any financial markets. Be careful out there. Alright, daily chart. You see where we're hitting, look at left, all this few days over here, they got stuck on the way down. 6-7 days. Plus we are having negative news, earnings are bad, which was expected, so. Alright, so we'll go and just go with what market does. We are above hold, EMA, A, all that from here, but I just think this could be just a pullback. Unless we get the EMA 8 above this magenta color, for now it's resistance, could become support, and hopefully go from there, go long. But we'll see for now. So we'll just go what the market says. All right, today we'll just go and hedge MNQ with NQ and see what we need for how much we would need, how much funds we would need to have to make a profit, daily profit. Alright, just in the middle here is just to see if we get oversold, overbought. Right here it's ES, but otherwise we'll stick with MNQ and NQ. Let me cover this just like that. Let's another minute or so. All right, for now we are in uptrend on Nasdaq. All right, there could be some pullback again. We are closing with bars above upper line, this band. So any pullback could be a good place to buy and go long. Alright, if we're gonna go long, target would be 85.65. And I'll just go long on NQ. If it turns against me, I'll go and short with MNQ, 10 of them. And good morning out there. Alright, 85.65, that would be a target. Maybe a couple of ticks under.
Order submitted.
If we're gonna go long. Alright, look at the left side. We're closing with bars above the upper band line. Okay, what I have on the left side, chart, it's EMA 8, it's white line. This light blue, it's EMA 5. As you can see there, plus the Quant007, it's price action channel. Looks like they cannot make their direction already, and just open. Alright, that's what I was saying, watch out, there could be pullback. Maybe all the way to 85.22. That's SMA 20. Right, you guys, I was trying last night, I'm trying another program to use. I'm using right now Streamlabs, but I'm trying to remix, so if you see me there during the day that I come on the channel, it's nothing for trading, it's just I want to set up on that channel this remix. I'm having trouble with some sound and that stuff, so I know I can go open another channel and go there, but now I want to set up here, make sure everything's right. I'm doing this for you, so maybe we can have you know, only a few seconds delay instead of 20. Alright, let's go. Hope this should be good. Hope 85.65 is target. Alright, we're still in uptrend. Nathan, if you're there, thank you for your comment. Tom, also, thank you. Also, I'm gonna say just my opinion about comments. I'm not here to please anybody, and I'm not gonna lie. That would be just meaning lying to you guys. Markets are not to please, they'll just even take from you or give you. So just to attract the people and just to give them a profit target, and you know, just to have people watching this channel. I don't want that. I don't want to lie to you. But Nathan, I really do appreciate it for your input, and thanks for caring. So I'm here much longer than I thought that I would be on this channel. I just, thanks God I was here on time, and I'll start warning. You can see when I start warning people with these indicators. You can see there video on January 22nd, and look at all this mess that happened. But if this can help anybody, that's great. I thought just to help one person, and I help a few extra. So this is great for me, but I'm really not looking into taking this channel to some, I don't know, somewhere. Otherwise I would be doing here all kinds of stuff, advertising, bringing other people, but I'm not into that. So if this helps somebody, that's fine. If it doesn't, it doesn't. There are other great guys that use stop. I mean, there's some absolutely great guys out there. What I know, just top of the head, Viper Trading, Gary's gonna there tell you, I mean, a lot of stuff. You have to subscribe to his website. He has a great program. He can teach you a lot too. Then Shadow Trader, those guys are great, absolutely great. Then Market Sniper, another great guy. And they use stops. If that's what you're into, that, you guys go ahead. Alright, like this, if it's taking too much time to reach my target, this buy closes somewhere here and didn't get above the red one, I'll just close it and market, and I'm not gonna wait anymore. Okay, well, there's almost to the target.
Order filled.
Wonderful, 440 points. All right, that was what, $1,000 for margin. There was some money that was going against us, $200-300. So I made 440. That's like a 30% on investment. It can't be better. And the way I'm showing you, just consider that kind of trading. Nobody's telling you that you got to go and do it. Just consider, but you do the best, you know, the best is for you. I'm not gonna sit here and lie to people and just to have members here and or viewers, or you know, just to be on YouTube. I'm not gonna be doing that. As I said, I'm much longer than I thought I would be here. All right, it took us what, 7 minutes, 8 minutes to make a trade, make a 440 points, and that's it. All right, you see on the daily, this is all one indicator, but you can have all different uses. All right, this here on ES, same indicator over here on NQ, and we have here on MNQ, it's a price action channel, but can be used different ways. And this here, magenta, it's a hold EMA. That's also in this indicator here, pullback zone. All right, so now be careful here. You see we have a lot of resistance. If you go along even more, I would not go for now until price gets up well above, pulls back into the zone, makes a support. We're still long even on MNQ and NQ, same chart. But we're still long over here. I have here, like I said, EMA 8, EMA 5. no matter where you guys go, be always careful. You don't know who's doing what they do on different screen, what kind of protection they're on. So that's why here I just put everything in front, and what happens, happens. I mean, sometimes it just days great like this. Sometimes it takes longer to make profit. But I'm here, you know, if I'm doing trading, I'm here to make profit, not to have one day in 5 I'm losing and then 4 I'm winning. I don't look for that. I want every day. I want to flow with the market. And if I come in the market, I want to make money. So whatever it takes. So if I make every day 2-3%, that's more than great. On money I have to put in there to have that trade. Like yesterday, we needed to, I don't know what the hell it was. Nathan, no, thank you. I really do appreciate it. But like I said, you know, I'm not gonna be sitting here and lying to you guys. Here's a stop. Here's a, you know, target. Get out, because you never know what the other people are doing on other screen and how they're protecting themselves. I know those professional traders, they'll protect themselves, but they'll be showing another thing. I don't, as you see, I don't put any links. I'm not gonna go and I have nothing from this. I mean, if you guys buy indicators, that's the only thing I will have from this. So far, there's few people and that's it. But I will not sit here and lie to you guys. God forbid. And I'll tell you why. I don't believe in God. I know God exists. And just because of that reason, I'm not doing monkey businesses. If I'm gonna do it, I'll do it right. If I'm here to make money, I go and I do it. But I really do appreciate it, Nathan. Nathan, why don't you send me your email? I'll send you this price action channel. You know what's my email, Quant007@gmail. Now, you guys don't know, the guys start sending me emails. Only Nathan, please. Nathan, what's your email? Can you write here so I know when I get over there that nobody else is sending me? Because there are people watching this, and I really do appreciate it since you posted, promoted this channel. I know there's more and more people. So I don't know if you can write over here, so I'll. Oh, good morning, Christine. You too. I know you're great. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. See, because of you guys too, I cannot sit here and lie. I'm not gonna do it. Either somebody likes it or not. I'm not trying to cry, I'm just explaining why I do this that I do. But I want you to know again, I'm gonna go with VMix. I'm doing this for you. It looks like it's much better program. So we don't have that much delay, you know, for the next few days. So I'm gonna be trying on the Quant007, you know, YouTube channel. So when I set up everything, I make sure it's okay. I don't want to go on another channel and then when I come back to the Quant and it's not right, there's something is doing different. So that's why I'm doing that, you know. That's what I'm gonna be doing, trying to set up today. I'm hoping today. I have some issues with the sound. echo, which is usually that stuff. All right, look at this drop. Boy, oh boy. Okay, guys, you watch all the news is really bad. Everybody's missing their earnings reports. All right, another thing. This is 6th day that we didn't touch EMA 8 on a daily chart. So we could come back all the way down here. Doesn't mean it will, but we could. And you could be making a base over here and start going long, but I don't know in this environment that we're gonna be coming back up there. I mean, there's a lot of headlines I don't like to see up there. You know, it's like I'm reading yesterday. Some people may not see that the check that's supposed to be coming, what, 1,200 or whatever it is. Bank, if you owe to somebody something, they may just take it, and I don't know what kind of all kinds of stuff. But definitely headlines are not good. Also, well, let me see what stocks are doing today. They should be coming down to. Win is WINN, it's down 4.5%. Apple is down 6%. Only Tesla is up, and that's 4%, a little bit over 4.14. Boeing is down. Well, you heard that yesterday. 150 planes, those Maxes, are canceled. J&J is down 1.33%. But J&J is just always good buy, no matter what. Also, I want to tell you, I don't have all kinds of data over here. That, you know, there is much more that you can do with trading, especially stocks. I mean, you can just be making money left and right, no matter what stock does. Same over here. So I'm just, you know, limited with options. I watch a lot on EMA 8 when we are too far. Then I know there should be a snap, you know, and come back. Those are some good places just to go and scalp it. Like this is really too far. And we have 3 big bars. I mean, even in downtrend, there's always an uptrend. Coronavirus live update. World Health Organization recommends restricting alcohol. No shit. I mean, I don't drink, you know, here and there, but wow. I know in Vegas there is a delivery. If you want some alcohol, they can deliver to your house. And they're talking here about restricting. Abbott, ABBOTT, announces coronavirus antibody test up to 20 million screening in June. Well, how their stock is gonna be. Gates calls Trump's decision to hold funding for WHO as dangerous as it sounds. Coronavirus delivers record blow to US retail sales in March. I mean, how, when everything's bad, if I understand this correctly, there's a lot of stuff missing, people are buying. Alright, we're in downtrend, so just be careful, but we are above the hold EMA, so I would not go short until EMA 8 goes until under the blue line. This will be just snap and go long again. So I wouldn't be doing any shorts right here. Let them go without me. I don't have to be all the time. As you see this morning, did one trade, even took like what, 8 minutes. But we were positive and that's it. And there was an order, I said be careful here. It's not that I said I want you guys to look in front and see what's going on. I want you to be totally independent. That's my goal. I was in different places and oh, you got to depend on me, you got to depend on my indicator, never know how market works, what's going on. You know, so yes, it is, Nathan. Yep. Yeah, that's what I was expecting. That's why I'm on a daily. This was even like just too high. I was thinking this bar, this red one over here, couldn't even go up there. I was thinking maybe we're gonna pull back more over here, but look at it. It took 3 days to close above that bar. So that's another worry for me, you know, not worry, just I don't like 3 days to close above this bar. Then yesterday there was a big push. But as much as we went long, that could be just coming down. You know. So sooner or later we got to hit at least EMA 8. I would like the markets go long, the people get their money back. It's, I mean, absolute destruction. Took what, 2 weeks to take all gains what were in 4 years. I mean, but just looking at earnings, looking at news, all this environment, just nothing looks right. But then, on the other hand, keep in mind, Wall Street is getting a lot of money, trillions of dollars. So once they start buying or selling, you don't know what they're gonna do. That's how market is gonna correspond, you know. Just in my opinion over here, there's nothing that it has to be that way. See how they're thinking about coming down, they just don't want to go yet. Look at the EMA 8 and hold. So I'm just going EMA 8, I'm going to call 8 and hold. Blue one is hold. See how they're coming together, squeezing, so market's gonna explode somewhere. The way it's right now, this moment should be up, but that doesn't mean it can just turn around, go down. Alright, look at on the ES. Oversold would be 27.40. I mean at this moment. And it's 27.61, that's another 21 point down at this point. Which means these lines are gonna move if market continues down. So it would be even lower. What bars are saying, we wanna go long. That's what bars are for now saying. Especially if you go above this red one, this first red one. If we can close this bar. That would be saying there's power for uptrend, at least to the SMA 20. Oh, there's. So look into your bars. I mean, 3 minutes is fine, 5 minutes is fine, but just takes much longer for a bar to create. 1 minute is too quick, so that's why I'm using 2 minutes. It's like medium there. Watch what's doing. I mean, if green cannot go up, red wants to come down. If red cannot come down, green is gonna go up. Just look on that combination, or look when you have one green, then one red, and then see if the green is gonna go up or red is gonna continue down, or combination 1, 2, and then like here. It's just a language like any other language. And you're not gonna be right all the time, that's for sure. Nobody is. There's always a news or some event happen, and then market just changes direction. Like right here, just changed it in no time. We still didn't hit that 85.25. Alright, we're still in downtrend. Watch here. But we had a good call over here. There was a good call here when I said, and then there was a good call over here for now. Alright, so we'll look for next. Let's see this pullback where it's going. can 8 just act as a support. Home builder confidence index takes biggest 1 month dive in its history as coronavirus hits economy. Wow. Yeah, everything stopped. El Arian, banks take steps to avoid being seen as making money off coronavirus. Well, they'll make money of any situation. They have to, they got to go into trades. What else they gonna do? Okay, you see now 8 is acting as resistance. We closed under 8, so be careful there. Alright, there's it's touching 8500. I love when market does what it's expected to do. Okay, on the left side, where's M and Q, it's saying we're in the uptrend, so especially if this bar closes up there, but watch for some pullback. Alright, we need this bar to close about 20. If the markets have power in order to go long. Alright, from this little green bar on see where my mouse is on the left side on MNQ, from that point we are long. There was that pullback hitting a halt. And then bouncing from there. Alright, we are long, now we are long, even 5 is above 8. But only on the right side, we're just hitting that 20. Okay, so maybe wait for them to sink, and then they could have some nicer uptrend, or wait like this for a pullback. Okay, pullback can happen over here in this band. I'm talking about MNQ on the left side chart. Pullback can happen all the way down as long as it doesn't touch the bottom line, just like here. It could even go further, a tick above, and the trend is still up. So from this point, from this bar, but we don't want, at this point, we don't want to break this low, which is hitting a halt. Alright, 8 is still support, making support. Okay, left chart, let's see where this bar is going to close. Alright, expect some pullback, that'll be good, some good buys over here. I know it closed above this upper line, but it's touching EMA 8. You got to see the bar that closes above but doesn't touch EMA 8, and then it's a bigger, even bigger pullback. Alright. Let's see where this bar is going to close. If it closes up, that'll be clear signal for long. But again, any news can come in a moment, so we have to always be careful with that stuff. Anything can happen these days. But the signal would be clear, long, so any pullback, in my opinion, would be a good place to buy. Alright, on the left chart, any pullback, especially if you can come to 5 or 8, ooh, that would be great. You know, this will be a big bar, but I'll just go, if it comes down to 5, I'll just go and buy. Let's just go and buy. And then I'll just go, let me see. Hopefully this is not just, you know, uptrend and then that's it. So I'll just go pull out some few ticks.
Order submitted.
If I can. 85.42 would be profit target. So that this is not just like a lower high. I'll get out.
Order filled.
Alright, 530 points. Got out, bar, didn't want to go up there anymore. So that's why I'm looking at buyer auction. Couldn't close above. Still uptrend. Okay, we hit the EMA 8 over here. I was just looking for a moment on the side. That's always good place to buy. Always, most of the time. For me, when it's uptrend like this. Hoping this is not just lower high. So let's see what this bar is gonna do. If this bar closes down, doesn't close above, that's like a weakness in the market. Yeah, I don't like what I'm seeing. In the last 20 minutes from this bar, you could pretty much short anywhere and make a few ticks, hitting EMA 8. You know, shorter here it would be hit EMA 8. With this one too, get few ticks just for some scalps here. here. That 8 is like magnets, you know, magnets just attracting the price there. If I can give you anything that's gonna help you, watch that 8, EMA 8. And see what market is doing with that line. If anything else, you know, if you wanna put on the chart. To me, it's better than SMA or any other one, you know, just to me. Other people like SMAs or different ones, but for me, just the EMA works great. Look at this uptrend. Anywhere you shorted on a dark green bar, you could make scalps. If we break this low, which is 8,500, looks like market is gonna go down. Then I would wait for some pullback to 8 maybe, and then go short. Especially if this bar closes, breaks down, it's gonna be far away from 8. If this bar doesn't close under 8,500, still long. Alright, over here on the left side chart, we are down, so pull back. Should be down also. I just don't like, they still didn't even touch 8,500. Gold 1747, so went down a little bit. Wow, oil 1991. Well, nobody's doing anything there. I don't know, do they have enough storage to put that oil that they're producing every day? I wouldn't be surprised to see oil $10. $10 a barrel. This is what I was talking about, just they never broke this 8,500, never even touched it. And look at how they're doing. So if they can come down, they'll go up. So we want to see this left chart to touch this upper line. To confirm long. But if I'm looking on the right side of the chart, this is just a higher low. It was a pullback like double size of this pullback. I'm just eyeing this so it looks like double size of this one. So if you go long, the target would be 85.36. If one will go long, 85.36. Well, you know what? If it touches CMA8, I'll buy and then I'll go to 85.36. First target would be 33.75. Second is 36. I'm in 33.5 already reached, so I love this when it works, especially Nasdaq. Crazy instrument. Yeah, it's wonderful when you call something and it just works out, you know, that's so wonderful. But if it doesn't, then I have to go and dig myself out. And I want to make money every day. If I'm trading, I want to make money every day. I don't want to make 4 out of 5 days. I want every day. Whatever it takes. Just my opinion. Or even higher. I love that. We're still in an uptrend. Alright, next target would be to the 85.48. That would be the next target. Which they could reach if they break this here. Then it's easy not to go into 85.48. So let's see. Well, we had some great calls today. You know, comparing to yesterday, which you've got to be just set your mind. Go after your money until you make it. And made it, what, 3-4%. I made a trade yesterday afternoon just here also. Made like 1,000 points just in no time. It was just going up. You know, sometimes it's just everything goes against you, sometimes everything goes your way. Alright, good place to buy over
Order
here.
filled.
Let's see. Let's see if we can reach 85.48. Alright, a lot of people see that those targets.
Order submitted.
You know, pull every penny out of the market, but don't be greedy. That's what I think, you know. So I always go a couple, 3 ticks under what everybody else sees. You know, cash in on people's greed. If it goes our way. So I'm on 85.27.5 and 85.47.5 in a quarter. That's a target. You know, let me put 5, so it's gonna be 20. Even 20 points if it goes our way. Which we need to, in the next couple of 3 bars, we need to get about this one, the green ones. Just like here. Took us a couple of bar, 3rd bar to close. Also watch out, this is lower high over here. If I see something weakness, I'll just go and sell one over here to maintain over micros. It's gonna be same as one over here. If the bar closes under 8, I'm selling. Alright, that's wonderful there. Okay, watch out, this could, if they go under, that's a weakness. This could be red, green, red. If you get a green one, still up. I don't like setup. I'm just gonna go close. Let me be, if I can get now a few ticks. I'll just close.
Order filled.
Don't like setup, don't wanna be greedy. Doesn't matter if they go up there. I just didn't like at that moment. Didn't like what this bar was doing. That was going iffy, so when I see like that, I'll just make some profit and get out. And if they go without me, you know, to the moon, that's all fine with me. But at that moment, it just didn't look good. $85.39, it's a target if it's gonna go long. Alright, love it again, it hit 39. Otherwise 85.47 still, if they're going long. Alright, we need 3 more points. Right there. Alright, this is totally fine with me that I didn't go continue when I came out. I just didn't like it what I was seeing. action of the bar. But this is totally fine with me. I still made a few ticks, but the price reached the target, which is just great. Alright, be careful, they're bouncing down from here. But we still have a time, we still have place to go long. So I wouldn't be thinking about any short. There's still enough place to go long. Look at here on ES. ES is hitting 20, but there's enough place to go up here. That means Nasdaq could just run and run. Uptrend on the left chart, uptrend on the right chart. EMA 8 is good place to buy again. If I would be wrong, I would just go in a hedge with the MNQs instead of a stop. That's just my opinion. I want to get another chance and another chance and another chance until I make money. Alright guys, there were some few good calls. Somebody can tell me you chicken out here. No, I didn't. I just didn't like what this buyer was doing. So, but we still reached the target there. And it's better gonna be, just get out with some profit than go with ifs. Alright, take a look on the left chart. Let me just make double check here. See what we're doing lately? We are bouncing from hold. We get under a little bit, but that's a bounce up. So we could come again down. Right now, hold is 85.19. Alright, so we could come down, even touch this bar, but every time so far that happened, we would just turn around and go long. Alright, look at that. This hold indicator just slipped off my mind. I was using that before. But from now on it's gonna stay here. Hold and SMA. Great. With this couple indicators I have, which is overbought, oversold, they were great, and then that's it. Alright guys, hour and 6 minutes we made 615 points without sweating. Absolutely great. with how much money we had to tie up. That's a great, like 1/4 or 25% return. Can't beat that. Alright, 85.21 is over here, hold on NQ. MNQ is a little bit different. Here is MNQ is 85.18. So if you see me today on the Quant007 coming on the YouTube channel, coming or the Quant007 is live, I'm not, I'm just, I'm gonna try to set up a remix. I think it's much quicker. It's not that much delay. So don't even react to that. I'll be turning on and off and who knows how many times. Once I'm just waiting for some emails. But I'll delay all the stuff, so just ignore it. I had a trial on the Wirecast, it was great, that's a great software. But I also heard the good things about Vmix, and I got 60-day trial. So I want to see that one. And according to this past, we are still higher. Look at this is again a higher low. We're making slowly higher lows. Oops. What? Market is in downtrend. Could this be low and from here go up? We'll see. You see whole picture. There's that magenta. Resistance zone with upper band. But the short term we are long. So if we get a bar where we already got it closed under hold and it's closed under EMA 8, we're okay. We could go short, but we need to break this point, this low over here, 85.04, 85.0375, whatever is there. Just say 85.03. Then wait for a pullback. Otherwise, looking like this picture, we are in uptrend, small uptrend, but looking on the bars itself, we are in downtrend. So you got to wait for them to sink, meaning we need the bar to close about hold, and in this case, we need the bar to close about 8 and 20. And you see how they're all getting together. That means there's gonna be snap again, there's gonna be rush somewhere. So there's not much to look at on the chart. And you know, you have 2 minutes to look at everything before chart form, bar forms. We are higher than our lows for the day on a daily. Alright, there is that snap again. Same happened here on you see MNQ. We touched that, went a little bit under. The bottom line from Baines price action channel, and then we are doing same. It's high low. But this is what they like to do, hypnotize you like this, and then they just in one bar they clear everything. So you got to be in front of the market. If we don't touch this upper line on MNQ on the left chart, that means we're still in downtrend, at least mini. So we got to touch this bar. Okay, we touched, now it's confirmed. Alright, so now it's confirmed. Remember what I was saying earlier, ES has a lot of places to run. 2762 to 2775. Oh, you got to 15-20 points it can run. That means Nasdaq can get above everything and just, you know, run another 50 points. Just to confirm long, we have to close above this one or go above this bar. That's 85.50, 85.56. If you can hit that 85.56, that will be confirming. All right. 85.65 would be target for now. On ES 2775. At least 2773. That would be the bottom of the resistance channel. But I think they can go to 20 even 2777. Alright, target on Nasdaq would be 85.67, maybe 85.70 if it's gonna go long. Which on the left side it's saying, yeah, bar never closed above, plus it's touching EMA 8, 5. So but never closed above this bar, so this is still saying I'm long. So any pullback to 8 would be just a great buy there if it's gonna go long. Alright, 85.70 target on Nasdaq. Come on NQ, come on. I want to see you 85.70. Alright, right there. Right there, come on. Let's go, nobody needs your hair, you know you can do it. You know you can do it, come on baby. I watch that the ES still has a lot of room to go. It's at 27.64. You can go to 27.78. That's a 14 points. Also watch how Nasdaq, how far it's from EMA 8. So any pullbacks, don't be surprised. Tag is still 86.70. See where's EMA 8 is on the bottom of the now support channel, support zone. I just go here, buy 85.70 target, so everybody sees that. I'll go a couple of ticks under.
Order submitted.
I wanna pull every tick I can out of the market, but I don't want to be, you know, like I said earlier, greedy. I want to cash on that because people just get so greedy, want every penny. Let them have that. I'll be happy with this. And then again, if I start seeing weakness in this bar and I'm just a tick or two above, I'll just go and close market. But target is 85.70. And according to this line, it's 71. I could just put a stop right now and, you know, for a few ticks, if it comes back, comes back. I don't like to use them. All right. Oh, love it when it goes like that. Oh, just love this morning. It was great. Bunch of good calls. All right, 890 points. I mean, I would love to have 1,000 points, but if I get another chance to trade, I'll do it. If not, not. There's 71 even hit. Wonderful. All right, ES still has its ES is 2765, 2778 could go all the way. That's another 13 points. I don't know what's going on today, but bunch of good calls. No, let's see if we can get
Order filled.
20 ticks. See, that's
Order submitted.
becoming their greed. Greed, let's get everything, let's do it. I don't have to be there, but just for a game, let's do this trade. Just because we did so great this morning, so many good calls. Let's see if we can. Which I don't see a reason why not. We are closed under this line. If buyer was closed above yellow line, then I would say okay. I wouldn't do it, but I think we're still gonna go higher. Alright, upper zone, look at here. Upper zone is acting as a resistance now. See, price came to upper zone and the pullback. EM8 is coming. Alright, now we need this one to go up. It will be just nicely green, red, and green above. Alright, I'm very close to my 1,000 points. I need like 110. Come on, baby, yeah, come on. All right, 1,040, even more. Well, guys, wonderful. Got a bunch of good calls. Make sure chart sync. All right, if you see me today on a YouTube channel, ignore that. I want to set the vmix. I want to set on this channel. I don't want to go until I don't want to go on the other one and then something when I go on this channel it's not set up right and whatever. I don't want to do that. So ignore, totally ignore, please. If I remember, I'll even write ignore this one until I set up everything right. If I get these emails back, just have an issue with the sound. Also, Remember, I'm not gonna be sitting here lying to you. I always hedge, don't use stops. If it can help you, great. If you cannot, there are different guys out there, they use stops. As I mentioned there, I have nothing from, from them, mentioning them. I don't get paid anything from them, but I've been on those showrooms. I know Gary can help you a lot. That's a Viper Trading. I know Shadow Trader, the way he's talking, I know there's a group of them. They're just great guys. I know Market Sniper is a great guy. There's another guy from Toronto. I'll dig that one out. I forgot his name. I mean, but you still got to watch what they do on different, who is doing what on different screen. There's Lara there, guys. My goal is that you're independent. That's my goal. I'm much longer here than I thought I would be. So I don't know how much longer I'm gonna be here, but I'll let you know. I'm not gonna let you down. Christine, you missed that one. Well, it's alright, Christine. Let them go to the moon without you for once. There's another trade. See, like they're going much higher than I thought they would. Maybe even better pullback, but it's fine. That's how I see it. As long as I make my target, after that they can go to the moon. They'll come back to the earth, and then we'll go again together. But great. I thank you for staying here. Great company. Thank you, Nathan, too. Don't forget to send me. It's wonderful guys having you, especially if it's helping you. I know that's another thing, Christine, because I'm like at 20 seconds here. By the time you hear me, 20 seconds passes. That's a lot. So that's why I might want to go for you guys in this remix. I think it's much better, much quicker. There's not much delay there. Wirecast was like 6 to 8 seconds, which is not a big deal. I mean, any software, I think there's some delay. Yeah, just the time delay. Yeah, so I'm looking for this one. There, like as I said, Wirecast was only 6 to 8, and that wasn't that big, I don't know if there's any software that's exactly, live. I think that they need to get all this data, and by the time they post, it needs to take some time, write all this data. I think everyone has a few seconds. No, I'm not making a new channel. I'm just gonna go. What I said, I don't want to go create another channel, set up vMix and that channel, so you guys not disturbed with the Quant007. So I'll be setting on the Quant007 vMix. So totally ignore me when you see, if you see today, during the day or in the evening, YouTube is gonna send you notice that Quant007 is live. I'm not. I'm just trying to set up a vMix on this channel. So every time I turn on the vMix, it's gonna be already everything set up. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. And that's mostly tonight, I think I'm gonna be doing. Guys, watch out now, lunch is coming. We are still in uptrend, but look at the difference between 8 and 20. How often they like to be that far. Look on the left side. We had already one bar over here closed above. We went up. This could mean some pullback. At least for now, to 85.50. Especially if they close under EMA 8, We had a great morning again. I got to go do some things. Well, what's this? And there's a breaking. Apple unveils a new, cheaper iPhone into the market, vastly changed by coronavirus. Oh yeah, now it's cheaper. Now they can do it cheaper. Interesting. Very interesting. They couldn't do it a couple of months ago, but now they can do it. All right, I heard that before I go, I heard yesterday I read somewhere quote, well, kind of quote. They said Bill Gates. I don't know if you guys saw a video. He was talking about depopulation of Earth, and now he wants to give us vaccine. Very strange times. I was reading that and I was, So hopefully YouTube won't just punish me on this, but that's what I was reading yesterday. It was interesting, let's say headline. Alright guys, well thank you again, I appreciate it for your time being here, making me company. We'll talk to you tomorrow. If you see me today again, don't even pay attention to that. If it tells you the Quant007 is live, I'm not, I'll just be trying to set remix. Alright, have a nice day.